So you did your makeup and it looked perfect, and within an hour or two it starts to separate like this. You can see it's settling into fine lines and pores. I'm going to tell you exactly why this is happening. And no, it's not because it's silicone based versus water based. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Saj Mac. I'm a pro makeup artist with over 15 years of experience in film and television, and we have been getting into the separation of it all in our makeup routines. And I say our to be nice because it's you, it's not me. The reason why this is happening is you guys are not prepping your skin correctly. I have posted quite a few videos in this series. This video is also going to be linked in it. There's a playlist, because we have playlists now, linked right at the bottom that you can follow along in the series. And although I'm not getting to every single comment, I do pay attention to you guys' comments and your concerns. Read what you're saying. I do all of this, I do all of that, I do it, and it's still, you're not. Okay? You and I know, we both know that you're not. What is happening is your skin is sucking your foundation dry. Simple. I have said it many times before, you have to start your makeup routine off by washing your face. I don't care what the dermatologists say. I am the expert when it comes to makeup. They're not makeup experts. I said, before you put on makeup, wash your face. It doesn't matter how sensitive your skin is, you just have to find the right cleanser for your skin. But the fact of the matter is, everyone releases oils, everyone sweats throughout the night. When you wake up, there is a layer of oil over your skin, and that has to be removed before you can put more layers on it, or it's not gonna stick. Now that the grime has been removed, you need to replenish your moisture. Hydrating mist, layer it. Depending on your skin type, if you are dry, you need more layers of hydration. If you're combination, you need more layers of hydration. If you're oily, you need more layers of hydration. You see where I'm going with this? And to clarify, when I say layer your hydration, this is what I mean. The products that are literally, they look like water. This is a rose water mist, and this is the Tatcha Essence. If you're patting in your essence, you're going to do that a few times. We know that it's called I think the 7 skin toner method in K-beauty. That's the vibe that we're going for. Your skin is going to always take what it needs from what you give it. If you give your skin the hydration through your skincare routine, then it has no reason to take the hydration out of your base makeup. It's going to pull those nourishing ingredients out of your foundation throughout the day, and what's going to be left is little dots of pigment sitting on the surface of your skin that have nothing else left in their emulsion formula to stay in a solid layer. And as always, I hope this helps.